Hi guys, Brian Lofty Lawn Care, and in today's video I want to talk with y'all about some 18-volt battery tools that I like to keep in my truck and trailer that I think is essential to have. The first one here is the 18-volt Ryobi 1/2-inch impact. The number on it's a P261, and it's got the 3 speeds here. And I usually just use a 4 amp hour battery. I use it to take the trailer tires off, mower blades. Then I just picked this up, which is a little air compressor, air the tires up and stuff. It's the 18 volt, the PCL031. Like I said, that's an essential tool because you know we get flats out here in the field. Then also, I got a 6-port charger here that I picked up about 1.5 years ago. The number on it is PCG006. I got about 6 batteries altogether that I like to keep with me. I charge them up. All you do is just plug this up and it charges all of them at one time. Like I said, I feel like these are essential tools to have. Like this impact right here, it'll even take the trailer tire. I gotta turn the speed up. Like I said, it's good to have there. I really love that. I've had that for about 2 years now, or 3, somewhere right in there. Like I said, this I just bought about 2 months ago. And right there, that's just a few essential tools. I like the Ryobi brand. It's been working for me. I know a lot of people use Milwaukee and DeWalt, but I like the Ryobi. But I just want to show y'all that. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.